Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Xbox controller to an iPhone. You will need to ensure your controller is compatible and your iPhone software is up to date, typically iOS 14 or later. We will walk through the quick pairing process using Bluetooth, allowing you to enjoy your favorite games with much greater precision and comfort. This simple connection opens up a whole new level of mobile gaming. For a successful connection, you will need an Xbox wireless controller that includes Bluetooth functionality. This covers controllers from the Xbox Series X and S, along with the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. Additionally, many newer Xbox One controllers, identifiable by plastic around the Xbox button, also have Bluetooth. Your iPhone needs to run at least iOS version 14 to support controller pairing. Start by ensuring your Xbox controller has sufficient battery charge. Then press and hold the Xbox button to power it on. Locate the small circular pairing button at the top edge of the controller, usually near the USB-C or micro USB port. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds until the Xbox button begins to rapidly flash, signaling it is ready to connect with your iPhone. Now grab your iPhone and navigate to its Settings application. From there, select the Bluetooth menu, making sure Bluetooth is actively switched on. Your Xbox wireless controller should appear under the Other Devices section. It may be labeled Xbox Wireless Controller. Simply tap on its name to initiate the connection. The Xbox button on your controller will become solid when successfully paired, indicating a stable link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.